Bitcoin will be worth $0. Major players will sell it off, and for 5 to 7 years, it will remain at a few $1,000s. Then it will become useless, and 1 Bitcoin will be worth a small Coca-Cola at McDonald's. Is this possible? I believe it is. And at the end of the video, I will tell you what will be the sign for me that such a situation is very close, and you need to withdraw your liquidity from BTC. You are on the Web3 Finance channel. I'm Den, and I don't give financial advice. I only share my opinion.
It's my opinion!
Subscribe, and let's get started. When Bitcoin first appeared, people who knew where this would lead were mining it. People who had the means to play the long game and a plan for decades. Of course, some casual passengers and fanatics sincerely believed in the ideas of Bitcoin and blockchain. Such guys also got their piece of the pie. At that time, there was no need for super powerful equipment, and you could get 50 Bitcoins for 1 block. In the first 7 years, 15 million Bitcoins were mined, and the share that random people received was bought out by those who knew that Bitcoin would someday be worth more than $64,000. But why could Bitcoin become devalued? There are several reasons and scenarios for the development of events. Green trend.
No!
Green trend. There are increasing cries from Greta Thunberg and opponents of mining. The blockchain of Bitcoin consumes electricity like whole countries, and with each halving, consumption will only grow. Regulators can create conditions in which mining will be unprofitable for businesses, and there are already talks in the White House about taxing miners 30%. If industrial miners leave and only a few enthusiasts remain, network security will suffer, and how this could end is unknown. The proof of work consensus algorithm is now outdated. In addition to the negative environmental impact of the Bitcoin network, it cannot compete with newer blockchains in terms of scalability, speed, performance, and applicability to real-world economic sectors. Will Bitcoin remain an icon, the first cryptocurrency that led the entire market? It's possible, but far from certain. Possibly the global player has taken everything they wanted from Bitcoin. With the arrival of regulation in the market, bull runs will most likely cease to exist. Prices won't jump 50% in different directions within a few weeks or months, making it difficult for manipulators to quickly and easily steer the market in the direction they want. Some might say, great, the common users will buy up all the Bitcoin, and it will become truly decentralized. Guys, let's not deceive ourselves. The overwhelming majority come to the market to make money, and if Bitcoin loses its ability to provide thousands of % in profit, many will lose interest. And these crazy market movements are made by manipulators, while we're just trying to guess what they will do. And now, as promised, I will tell you what will serve as a sign of Bitcoin's coming collapse. If the price falls below $10,000 and doesn't recover within a week or a maximum of 10 days, it's a very bad sign. At such a price, there will be enormous demand, and people will buy in masses, and the price may not rise only if someone continues to sell in massive quantities. This can only be done by those who mined Bitcoin in the first 7 years, bought it on the market for pennies, and are simply exiting it at any price. I hope we have at least a couple more cycles, but I only believe in one. I'm not saying that Bitcoin and the market will come to an end, but we may not see the good old American roller coasters again. I'm looking forward to your comments and subscriptions. Together, we will find something to do even in a calm market that will eventually come. See you in the following video.